All right, welcome everyone. Today we are going to pull back the curtain on one of Primavera P6's most powerful and, let's be honest, sometimes intimidating features.
So, have you ever found yourself in that situation? The one where you're facing death by 1,000 clicks, just updating activity after activity after activity. It's an absolute time sink, right?
Well, what if I told you there's a massively time-saving alternative? Something that can turn hours of that mind-numbing work into literally a few seconds. Let's dive in and see exactly how it works.
We are talking about the Global Change tool. You'll find it right there under the Tools menu in Primavera P6 Professional. And trust me, this is where the magic really starts to happen.
The easiest way to think about it, imagine the Find and Replace feature you use in, say, Microsoft Word, but on steroids. It's a tool that's built from the ground up to make smart changes to a whole bunch of items all at once.
So here's the key difference. This isn't just a simple swap. It's a really sophisticated feature that actually performs calculations and adjustments based on rules you create. We're talking beyond just changing text. You could increase all your material costs by 5%, or maybe reassign a whole team's worth of work to a new manager, all in a single move.
Okay, so let's get into how this thing actually thinks. It uses a concept that's borrowed straight from software programming. But don't worry, it's actually incredibly simple to understand.
This if-then-else structure, that's the secret sauce. It lets you build these super precise rules. You're basically telling P6, if you see this specific situation, then I want you to do this action. And you can even add an else. So if that situation isn't true, it can do something completely different. It's powerful stuff.
And the process itself is really straightforward. First, you pick what part of the project you want to change. Then, you tell P6 what to look for. That's your if. And finally, you tell it what to do when it finds it. That's your then. Now, let's see how this plays out in a really practical, real-world example.
This is where all that theory becomes reality, and you really get to see the power of this tool. We're going to look at a super common scenario, one that really shows off its incredible efficiency.
And this just lays it all out, doesn't it? I want you to imagine you've got a schedule that's been updated with progress, but now you need to revert it back to a clean baseline. Strip out all the actuals, the start dates, finish dates, percent complete, all of it. Doing that by hand is an absolute nightmare. With Global Change, it's just a few clicks. So instead of touching every single activity one by one, you can build a set of rules to just systematically reset the whole schedule. You'd basically tell P6, hey, find any activity that started or finished, reset its progress to 0, and then change its status back to not started. The tool automates that entire sequence in one perfect, flawless operation.
And that right there is the true power of automation. It isn't just about being faster. It's about being accurate and, more importantly, freeing yourself up to focus on the things that actually require your brain power, the strategic side of project management.
But hold on. Before you get too excited and start changing everything in sight, there is one absolutely critical, non-negotiable piece of information you have to know.
Please pay very close attention here. If you only remember one thing from this entire explainer, make it this.
Let me say that again, just so it sinks in. There is no undo button. Once you click Commit Changes, that action is permanent. It is written directly to the database and you cannot reverse it.
So how do you protect yourself? Simple. You follow these essential rules every single time. 1. Always back up your project first. 2. Always test your changes on a copy, not the real thing. 3. P6 gives you a report of what it's about to change. Read it carefully before you commit. And 4. Make sure you understand your own logic inside and out.
You see, when you use it correctly and cautiously, Global Change really does transform how you work with big, complex schedules. It stops being this scary, intimidating feature and becomes your most powerful ally for getting things done efficiently.
So here's the big takeaway. Mastering the Global Change tool isn't just about saving a few hours. It's about unlocking a whole new level of control, of precision and efficiency in your project planning. It lets you make these big, sweeping changes with complete confidence. The only question left is, now that you have this power, what are you going to build?
This whole approach, this idea of streamlining project governance, is really inspired by the fantastic work of engineer Ziad Al-basir. If you're looking to put these powerful EPPM solutions into practice and build your own digital command center, his firm, ZALBASIR EPPM, is who you want to talk to. You can reach them at their email, info@zalbasireppm.com, or on WhatsApp. Thanks so much for watching.